Hi, this is Greg with Calendar Snack, and we're going to get into it here. Quick video and some slides. So calendarsnack.com's been up and running. We've been fortunate, and thank you if you are a customer. We've had about 4,000 trials across 18 countries over a couple of years, and feedback on the product has been good, and we continue to build it backwards. Today we're going to talk about VIP List. VIP List is a concept that came out of our community where people wanted to send to a list a calendar invitation. And so we have varied amounts we're working with, but right now we're going to talk about how to send 500. Now, Calendar Snack is here and live. You can go to it via the dashboard. I'll show you live on how the three products are here: landing pages, RSVP button, and we're going to talk about this enhanced product area, the VIP list. There's really a doc and FAQ area my teammate Art has done a great job with, and my other two teammates have done really a superb job on building all the infrastructure on AWS. So you can see it live, it works, etc. So let's get into what I'm talking about today. So send 500 calendar invites in 2 minutes to 500 email addresses. That's what we're working on, and we have a working product. It'll be out here in a little bit. So to do that, you have to get the calendar events to the dashboard. So how do you do that? Before you could ever send to a list, you got to get these calendar invites, this data, into this web service. So what we've built here, which you'll use today if you go to our service, is you'll use your calendar, you'll get an email, and they'll show up in your dashboard. So it's really simple. You're going to use this universal create command with your calendar client to get the events into the dashboard. It's that simple. So that said, create at calendarsnack.com. You can receive an email notification that it has worked. And guess what? You log into the organizer dashboard, and you will see that event showing up in chronological order. So there it is there. Denver Nuggets at Houston Rockets. You see it on my personal calendar, received it, and here we go. So the biggest question we get, which is really valid, you guys have made it easy to get into the dashboard. How do I change it? So we went back and worked on it, and this is what we've come up with: a really simple area of automation. You just go back into the original Denver Nuggets at the Houston Rockets, and you can see here that was originally create at calendarsnack.com. That's how we received it here. But now I want to change something like a date, a content, mix it up a bit. I actually may have had a fundamental change with it. How do I basically update it here in the dashboard? All you do is go in and change it here, hit send, and automatically it happens here. We update that information in the dashboard. So how to prepare for a list: you're going to use a text file. You can use a CSV. I'm not going to get into that. You can see it's old school, comma delimited, the easiest way. You upload your list, save it as a .txt, comma delimited, and then you choose the file and prep it for upload. So you choose the text file or CSV as I spoke. Here's the text file in this example. You choose it, you click under send invites, choose file, the text file. You have uploaded it, and what happens? Well, you're presented a picker. These are all my calendar invitations that are loaded into my dashboard that I can send to. This one here, Denver Nuggets at Houston Rockets. You can see that. And now I'm going to send it to the list. How do I do that? Well, I scroll down, I click which one I want. I insert yes into the VIP list box. I click VIP send VIP invites. That sends the calendar invites out. You'll see the live list here show up. I sent 7 in this case here. This becomes the notification page of emails sent, and that's it. It's that simple. So how does it really work in the background? Well, at a high level, we're running on AWS. I kind of walked through the console already. I uploaded the list. I click the button. It's sent out via our service. That service is called Simple Invite Service. That sends out the actual calendar invitations, and we track those. So again, back to the dimensions of how we update that service. You go into your calendar client, you change it, you send it back to us to the dashboard, and anything you sent downstream in your email list, calendar invites out to your customers, will be changed automatically downstream. It's that simple. So these steps are actually combined. You go back to your original calendar invite to the dashboard, and then we automate downstream any updates that have occurred due to some kind of situation of change. So how does reporting work? Very simple. You go to Get Reports. You'll be presented with a dashboard. You drill into event details in here. Denver Nuggets at Houston Rockets. You see that I clicked the button, get invitation report. That invitation report came to via email. It's a comma delimited file here, CSV. I double clicked it and you can see at a detailed status who I sent the calendar invitations to and their current status. As they change their statuses, we actually track all that data as well. And that's the end. Thanks for stopping by and hanging out with us.